Let's get back to it here though, and take a look at this frame now that the springs have been removed. That is a pretty bad break. We're going to need to rebuild this with a lot of extra support. We are attaching oak boards to both sides of the frame. Each board is strong enough to support the springs as it is, but as we always say, overkill is underrated. Now that our frame has been re-glued and rebuilt, we can reinstall the springs. It's a good thing we forgot to film that, but this video is long enough as it is, so let's get the fabric reinstalled. Let's staple on a new dust cover, and now she's ready to head back home. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope to see you here next time.